You and all of the other volunteers will be following a reporting and command structure known as the Incident Command System, or ICS. You will be provided with a pocket guide to help you while in the site. This guide will help you remember some key points about ICS. ICS provides the organizational structure to the public health emergency. There is an incident commander who has responsibility for the entire emergency and who may or may not be present at the site. There is a site manager who has specific responsibility for the dispensing site. And there is a safety officer who is responsible for everyone's safety. Within the site, there may be up to 4 functional sections: operations, logistics, planning, and finance administration. You should have an ICS organizational chart showing where your assigned position fits into the site's organizational structure. You may be provided with color-coded vests, lanyards, armbands, or hats to help identify your section. This makes for easy identification of site personnel carrying out particular functions. Your job action sheet will describe the roles and responsibilities of your specific position. Unless directed otherwise by your supervisor, these are the only functions you should carry out. You will be reporting to only one supervisor. All questions and communication should go through that individual. And this is very important. All outgoing information or requests from the media must go through the Public Information Officer. It is important that you do not communicate with the media unless directed to do so as part of your job duties. Documentation of all activities is critical. Make sure that you complete any documentation required of you. If applicable, please take a moment to find your position in the Incident Command System and make sure you understand which position will be serving as your supervisor.